Assalamualaikum everyone, and welcome back to Tone Update today. And if you want to be a part of Discord, do comment the word Discord, and I'm going to generate an invitation link for you. Now, if you're very new and you're watching Tone Update for the very first time ever, I'm pretty sure, stick with me until the end because there are so many things I'm going to talk about to you. All right. So first of all, I have a private, and on the private area, I do give some signals to my members. Right. One of them was Ton, and I took Ton and I bought at 5.89. 5.7 was my stop, and I wanted to sell it at 6.8 with a risk of 2.9% and a reward of 15%. Shortly after, I told my people the very few, like 2 to 3 hours later. So this was at 11:46 p.m. and this was now at 1:20 a.m. So the prices were pretty much on the same place, and I said, cancel Ton and switch to Tether, leave Bonk. We were actually trading Bonk at that time. We do not have any loss from Ton. The encircled 4-hour time frame candle can be a threat. So our purchase was at 5.9 and we exit at 5.9 itself. So we pretty much canceled the trade with no losses. If I do go back into Ton and I tell you what is going on with Ton, and as a matter of fact, the last message was also that, I said that on the second check, Ton might crash really badly. Weekly looks cooked, right? What does all that mean? Why did I cancel the trade, and how did I know that something is wrong? Because I'm not a magician. I don't know the future. It's just here in the charts, and this is why I love to talk about the charts. So if that gets you interested, and by the way, I do have 6 more days to close the the private. And to be very honest with you, I swear I'm sitting on my laptop right now and I'm looking at YouTube, and I've actually searched Ton coin price prediction. Okay, I cannot actually show you through the camera, or maybe I can do. Let's try. Yeah, so basically this is what I'm looking at right now, okay? And this is why I decided to make this video. Now, I'm not criticizing, I just wrote Ton coin price prediction. I didn't write anybody's name. I just wrote Ton coin price prediction. That's it, okay? I didn't write any YouTuber's name. All I'm saying is give me a price prediction. And the first thing that I see is that, okay, Ton coin crash coming. This guy does look legit, and it does seem like he told the truth. But look at this, right? Ton coin $100 price prediction, 30 days hold. I mean, come on, man. How many people are falling for this one? Ton coin collapse incoming. Okay, so this one is actually pretty much good. Another one is Ton to $70. Okay, Ton $70, 34K. Coin Bureau with someone who is as big as Coin Bureau is misguiding people, unfortunately, and it's kind of like it happens again and again. But anyways, another one and another one. There are so many people really misguiding the prices and not giving you some good TA out there, and I'm trying to solve this problem. I'm trying to give you something valid. Now, the reason why I bought Ton at 5.7 was because I thought, if we go back in time, I have a left shoulder head and a right shoulder, so I expected it's gonna cross this neckline and go all the way up to a technical target, which is actually 6.7, right? Now, this is the reason why you have to switch through different time frames. And then I opened up the 4-hour time frame, and what happened on the 4-hour time frame is that there was a candle which is a doji, and this candle was wrong, just as I said on the Discord, right? So it's this is what I said, that the following candle is not good. The candle just printed out and I exited, like I literally took the exit, right? It's called candle reading. It can tell you a signal of what is about to come next. If you guys always think, how do we know all of these things? It's actually a whole education, all right? And I have a whole course which is 19 hours for you to learn. And if you want to buy that, just let me know. But before you even buy that, I just want to motivate you that I'm already saving my members and myself. So this is, 5 point, let's say 5.8, and we already saved ourselves from that 7% move, right? Another thing is that if I search for tone on a different exchange, right, there's another message that I said, and I want you to look at this. So it's on OKX for a long time, and I'm going to actually check the OKX pattern. When I switched on the weekly, I noticed that there's a problem on the weekly time frame because this one has more data than the Binance data. The Binance is pretty new, but on OKX exchange, we have more data for tone at the moment. So if I do go back and I show you the message one more time, I did say that on second check, tone might crash really badly. Weekly looks cooked. So what is weekly? Again, this is the weekly time frame. So we have the weekly time frame. I showed you the 4-hour time frame, and then again, yesterday was Monday, or depending on where you're living right now, I saw that this candle, back last week, is red, is literally red, and I knew that this is cooked. Okay, when you have a green candle and a very big red, it means that, okay, the buyers are weak here. Do you see the green actually being small and the red being huge? It's called as bearish engulfing candle. That means that the candle that is red is overtaking the green, which means, in another word, sellers are bidding the buyers. So the buyers are not stepping in anymore, and I knew that this is a huge problem. Another thing is that tone is literally pumped right now, very pumped, really high. And when something is pumped like this, it is never a good idea. Whether you're a beginner, you should know this. Experienced traders definitely know that this is actually something that they must be aware of. Like, when things are actually pumped up like this, it is just not a good idea. Okay, let's get in on the daily time frame. And if I check in the daily time frame at the moment, I notice, now I talked about candle, right? I'm noticing a chat pattern, and this is a market cycle known as distribution, right? So you will always have a cycle of accumulation, pump up, distribution, or something like that. So if tone, all right, now this is an important part here. If tone comes below 4.4, right, we might end up looking at tone dropping down maybe to $2.5. Okay, this whole pattern can actually force drone to go down, and this is known as Wyckoff distribution, right? No one is, I don't know if anyone is telling this on YouTube, and that's why I showed you all this price pattern. This is known as Wyckoff distribution, okay? And I've actually seen this so many times, and I just wanted to tell you this, and I'm going to give you reference as well. All right, number one, I did not invent Wyckoff distribution. It has existed for the past 100 years almost, okay? And it happens again and again. Now, why does Wyckoff? What is Wyckoff? Wyckoff comes because when there's a lot of media manipulation. For example, we have actually learned that Telegram founder got arrested, okay? So when the media like this, when news like this actually spread, this is the time when Wyckoff distribution actually comes into play. And if you notice, we have a move up, a PSY, BCAR, and all of the sideways movement. So this move right here, this one right over here, right, is actually in there. It's actually this right over here, okay, that move. And then this move right over here, the middle one that you see, or you can actually say an ascending wedge, this right over here, okay, is actually this one right over here, okay? I'm actually giving proof. This one right over here, right? And then this right over here, right, we're sitting at support line at the moment. This is where we are, okay? We're sitting at support line. We're almost at LPSY and support lines. So if you notice, that is where we are right now. We're actually near the LPSY, and this is the support lines that we have. And support line means that we are getting into the support zone, which is right over here, okay? That's where the support really is. So you can actually expect a drop down to 4.7, and then from 4.7, if you do take out 4.4, then the next phase, which is the phase E, is coming up, which is actually this big drop that you're looking at. And that's what I do expect as well, all right? Save this video, and you're gonna come in the future and you're gonna appreciate someone told you right on time. And if you want to learn the way I trade, I do have the whole 19 hours course for you. The Pirate Trader. Trade the tides in crypto, okay? I want you to be like a pirate, get into the sea and be able to trade as I'm doing, okay? Ride all those waves, okay? The storm and everything, okay? You have a lot of topics, every single topic, a lot of them, from beginner to advanced. You don't even need to know what technical analysis really is. And that candlestick reading that I told you, I'm going to teach you another cool, almost up to 62 candlestick readings, right? And then I do have even the Wyckoff accumulation and Wyckoff distribution. I've actually talked about this 2 years ago when I created this course, so you can basically rely on what is going on. And I also talked about support and resistance, which actually is right now in this pattern. And that's the reason why I did even create the private, so that most of you can join and have someone who is actually teaching you in a safe way, right? Someone just already joined and shared the images as well. So comment Discord on the comment section, and I'm going to generate an invitation link for you, and you can message me to join for September. I'm gonna close up in 6 days. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you the next one. Love is.